Hi everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. I am just trying to get some of these out and off of my memory cards and onto YouTube right now. So this one I think I filmed the week after I have my wedding ring on, the week after I got married. It is the first week of September, really random. This has been a problem with me for the past couple months. If you're looking for any kind of consistency in the chronological events of my life, I don't think that's going to happen in 2019, hopefully in 2020. But right now it's just whatever's on the memory card that's in my computer, I'm editing. So this was the first week of September. I really loved look at my robe also. I got that robe. See, when I got matching what is it called? Monogrammed robes from Pottery Barn for our bridal shower. 10 out of 10 recommend. I feel like I'm at a 5-star resort with that thing on whenever I put it on. It's fantastic. Anyways, okay, the kit. I'm using the Sail Away kit from Paper Blush Bar, which is really pretty. It's all really cool tones, silver and blues, and this kind of I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a mauve-y, purpley, taupey color. And then kind of also that fades into a pinky color too. It's just really, really nice and pretty. I love Paper Blush Bar kits. I think that they're just so soft and delicate, and they're so different from a lot of kits that you see out there. I feel like that have a lot of kind of the same clip art or artwork that's used over and over. Hers just have such a different feel to them, and if you recognize the clip art at all, you're like, oh wow, I didn't even realize it, so anyways, I really love her kits. I do PR for her. I believe my code is Lauren15, but it'll be down in the description, as well as all of my other coupon codes too, so yeah, you can check that out. Okay, so this week, like I mentioned, the first week of September, it's the week of Labor Day. So Monday was Labor Day. So I don't think I've put up the video yet. I don't even know if I filmed it. Maybe I have. Hold on. Oh yes, I have definitely filmed the week before this. That was Labor Day weekend, and that was really fun. I did a 2 Little Bees kit. Kind of similar vibes to this one, honestly. They're both, I always use kits for Labor Day that oh, maybe these have the same lighthouse. Yeah, okay, this is what I'm talking about. I'll see if I can put up the week before this as my next video, but this kit has the same lighthouse clip art as the 2 Little Bees kit that lighthouse on Monday. It has the 2 Little Bees kit has that too. Oh my gosh, and the boat. Oh my gosh, all this clip art. And the anchor. Yeah, wow. Sorry, I'm in shock over here, flipping back and forth between these two weeks. I'll try and describe what's going on. I try and really stray away from using the same clip art in 2 kits because I buy so many stickers and I have so much stuff. I'm just I don't even need to do that. There's so many options out there. But I just feel I just proved my own point about what I was saying about Paper Blush Bar, where she just does things so differently, and she does such a different take on artwork, and she makes it look so different and well incorporates it so well into her personal style that you don't even notice it's the same clip art as kits that are using it and you can kind of see all the similarities in those kits. So as I was saying that, and I'm looking back and forth at the week before, I just now noticed that it has a lot of the same clip art in it, and it's just wild. That's so wild. I didn't even notice it. But yeah, what I was saying before I got caught up in this realization that I just had is that I always try and use the kind of nautical almost clip art for Labor Day weekend, because my family goes to Tahoe pretty much every summer for Labor Day weekend. My family has a place up there, so we tend to take that long weekend and do that. And so I just feel the vibe, all the sailboats and dark blues and stuff in kits tend to really fit the vibe of that weekend. So anyways, okay, on to the day by day. So like I have made abundantly clear in this video, it was Labor Day on Monday, so I marked that with a strip of washi, and then that Labor Day silver foiled script is from Artbox Stickers. I just filled up on those. I'm very excited to get that order in the mail. And then I marked driving home with a car from White Deer Stationery, and then that day off script I think is also from White Deer Stationery, the foiled one. And then I just kind of did a bunch of errands this day, really. It was kind of like my catch-up Sunday. So I remember dropping my sister off, and then I had to go, I'm putting down a to-do list. I rarely use to-do lists, but I just had so many like little to-dos today this day that I did. I'm marking Steven coming home. He was at his bachelor party in San Diego, so I marked that with a Paper Muse Crafts house sticker, and then I had to pick up a car. I don't know if I mentioned this on my YouTube, I probably did, but a couple weekends before this, we had, we were going down to a wedding, and we ended up completely totaling our car. Steven and I are fine, but some family friends let us borrow a car, so I went and picked up the car that day. I did some meal prep, some cleaning, and then the little bow squiggle thing is from Rose Colored Days. Okay, on to Tuesday. I'm marking that I worked from home on Tuesday. That scallop is from Panda Bird Design, and then the laptop sticker is from Planning World. I have a coupon code for her too down below. And then up top, I'm marking that Steven and I went to get our marriage license on Tuesday morning. So that was kind of, I don't want to say fun, but like kind of exciting. So I just used some washi from the kit, and then the marriage license sticker is from Whimsical Plans. I marked filming a plan with me. So that script I think is from Sticky Sloth Design, and then the page flags were from the kit. The marriage license thing, I want to just say as a warning, if you are engaged and you don't know this, whenever you go get your marriage license, that's when you pick whether or not, like, whatever your name is going to be, if you're going to change your name to get married, you have to decide then. So don't think you can decide after. You have to decide that day. I had someone warn me, and I was very grateful for it, but I know some people, I've heard stories of some people going in there and not realizing that, so that's a warning for you. Okay, and then this day I also had my first dress fitting, so I marked that with a script from Letters to Apollo, and then the wedding dress is from a sheet from GP Sticker Studio. I have a coupon code for her too. I trimmed off her script, and I used a Letters to Apollo one instead because it was foiled, but yeah, so I had that first dress fitting, went out it was actually at the like bridal salon for the first time, so did it there. My mom and my aunt came. I also marked having a jewelry appointment because we like bought my jewelry that I wore. I really just wore earrings, I think. So I marked that with a script from Whimsical Plans and a ring from Magic Prince Co. And then at the very bottom, I had marked that I had one meeting with just a little foiled bow from Sticky Sloth Design. And then I think Wednesday must have been a really slow day, because if I'm marking 2 meetings in a half box, like I probably didn't do a whole lot. So I marked that in the half box, and then I had Panda Bird Design, and then again I marked going like where I went to lunch, and that place is not like somewhere that I sat and ate lunch there. So I just used a like silverware sticker and then layered it over a little circle sticker from the kit. And then I edited the plan with me. That paper clip was from Planning Like a Pro. The divider was from Rose Colored Days. And then I marked having just kind of a lazy night with a heart from White Deer Stationery, a foiled heart. Okay, all caught up. I marked that I had my final payment for my florist due on this day. That I always get a ton of questions whenever I show me flipping through that book. It's a sticker book from Amazon. Like literally just type in pink sticker book on Amazon and it'll show up. It's like $10. So that's where I put all of my like stickers that I want to keep from like leftover sticker kits or any sticker samplers or anything that I get. That one, like I said, I pulled out the bouquet from GP Sticker Studio. She includes those on a ton of her freebies, and I love it. I think they're so pretty, and it matched really well with the kit. And then I put a bow over it from Sticky Sloth Designs Foil It. I marked 1 month until my wedding. That was September 5th. I got married on October 5th. So I don't really ever have countdown stickers, and I don't really ever count anything down, but I just added that in there. And then I marked that I had a big mail pickup day in the mailroom. If I put, it must have been a lot of stuff that day if I like marked it like that. And then so that little, what is that called? Mailbox? Yeah, is from White Deer Stationery. I had 1 meeting this day, which is not bad at all. That's really great. And I marked that with a sticker from the kit. And then I marked getting lunch with Steven with a coffee cup. Let's see, from Planning Like a Pro. And you know what? I'm going to stop saying it. All of the little foil accent bows that I'm using are from Sticky Sloth Design. That's what I use for the entire week. I'm realizing that now. I wish I would have realized that on like Tuesday. Okay, I marked doing a voiceover. That sticker is from Magic Prince Co. And then I marked painting my nails with a Fox and Pip sticker from, sorry, I just started reading my text messages. How rude. Okay. On to now I'm all frazzled because I'm sitting here reading text messages and work emails. Like, anyways. I'm so distracted. That's so bad. Okay, payday script on Friday is from White Deer Stationery. I marked my meetings with that same Planning Like a Pro paperclip. And then I also marked back to regular Fridays, which is so depressing, with, I think those stickers are from, or those glasses are from Piper Paper Co., and I layered them over a sticker from the kit. I get summer Fridays, Memorial Day through Labor Day, which means I leave work. I only take I have like a half day on Friday. And so that was my first like full Friday where I had to stay till the end of the day, and it's so depressing, literally so depressing. Okay, Steven and I also went to a ring shopping appointment this day. We ended up buying our rings online, but we went to the place where he bought my engagement ring and had an appointment there, and it was good because I was able to kind of like narrow down to the style that I wanted, what I had been looking at online originally. Even though it was like better priced than a lot of the stuff that was in the store there, and like the diamonds were a lot like bigger and stuff, I realized I didn't actually want that once I put them on and like saw how it looked. So I'm really glad that we did that, even though we didn't end up buying anything. And then I also marked having a date night on Friday with a wine sticker from, I think it's called Just Plans is the name of the shop. I always forget. Oh gosh, I'm so behind. Okay, Saturday. I marked, we did so this is hard to explain. For my wedding, for our wedding favors, we gave out like bottles of wine from my family and our family friends' wine company that we have. So that was super fun. We went up to Napa to the place that we make the wine, and we just took the already bottled like big bottles of wine, and we poured them into smaller, like, I think they're called spiffs. Like, they're basically 2 glasses of wine in a bottle. And we, like, spent all day bottling them with my parents and our family friends who we were, do the wine company with. And then, yeah, so that was really fun. We spent all morning doing that. I had so much fun. They helped me so much, all 4 of them, just, like, so much during the wedding. I marked going to lunch afterwards at Brasswood, which is a really cool, if you're ever up in Napa and you're like up north kind of in Napa by St. Helena, I totally recommend going to Brasswood. It's a tasting room, a restaurant, they have a bakery, like it's just such a cool little place, and I feel like anybody would enjoy themselves there. It's really like good food, good wine, really cool little place. So we went out to lunch there, and then so the family friend that we do the wine with, he was also the minister at our wedding. So at lunch we kind of talked through the ceremony outline and what we wanted and all that, and then they also just helped us with a lot. Like they just did so much to help us with like building a structure for the wine bottles to like have people like grab them and getting that all set up, and just so much of the detail work my parents and our family friends helped so much with it, and I appreciate so much. Okay. yeah, so that's all that. I feel like if you want to know any of the stickers, comment down below. I will let you know. Okay, on to Saturday. So I did a lot of online shopping. I don't know what for. Oh, well, no. Yeah, I'm looking at my planner or my like plum paper planner, trying to see if I can tell, but what I wrote down, I don't think that's what I actually bought that day, so I don't know. Anyways, I marked that girl is from My Newest Addiction, and then I just layered it over a flag from the kit, and then I marked going to Trader Joe's. That cart, I'm sorry I'm saying so much, I'm just flustered. The cart is from White Deer Stationery. I marked just kind of chilling and having a lazy day that day with a candle sticker, again, from, what is the name of that company? It's where all the wine glasses are from on Friday and Saturday. I think it's Just Plans, or at least that's her Instagram, I think. I really hope I don't have that wrong. I always forget, and I don't know why, because I use those stickers all the time. I filmed and edited a video, and I did a voiceover. The planner is from Rose and Tea Shop, I believe, and the voiceover sticker is from Magic Prince Co. Okay, and I think that is everything. Let's see if I can look at Saturday. Some of the stickers I missed on Saturday. The favor sticker was from Whimsical Plans. I cut that one down from the sheet. Yeah, anyways, that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye, guys.